All right, I'm here with Matt Hall at Evergy, and Matt, congratulations on winning your Tech Transfer Award. I've known you for a long time. I know we're both very passionate about this topic of online monitoring. You guys have done something a little bit unique. What makes your award unique from different utilities and what they've done?
Yeah, Nick, we were able to use EPRI's continuous online monitoring guides to provide coverage for our equipment that allowed us to move our preventive maintenance task. So the real benefit of that is the ability to move or eliminate PMs and provide repetitive O&M savings to the site.
Excellent. And so, what value did EPRI bring to you with this effort?
Yeah, certainly the issuance of the continuous online monitoring guides helped identify what sensors that we could put on our equipment to cover the degradation mechanisms. Then EPRI came to our site and went through the degradation mechanisms for the specific equipment we were evaluating and help us apply the sensors that were possible to that equipment to provide that coverage such that we didn't have to perform the PM task on the frequency that we were, allowing us again to extend them or eliminate them and recoup those O&M savings from those moves.
Yeah, excellent. I mean, I think I'm pretty excited about this, Matt. Hopefully, it starts a wave for the rest of the industry to follow.